one of our greatest blessing here is this one, we are family. Here you will be building friendship, family. So we work together as a team, we work together as a family. You will never be alone. So you are in great hands with our amazing coach, incredible business partner, and connect now, start now. Today is always the perfect time. Don't wait for tomorrow. As we learned yesterday's Gather and Go event, the earlier you start, the earlier you will get retire. I like that, yes. The earlier you retire. So all of this, especially our very own head coach is job quitter for how many years?
6.5 years, guys.
Yeah, look at that. This is the possibilities. And our coach as well, she retired in young age.
Yes, our youngest retiree
Praise
here.
God, at the age of 33, I never imagined myself I will be retiring from my passion. I will be retiring from my work as a registered nurse. But yes, in this business, guys, the sky is the limit. This business is truly a huge life changer. If we can do it, you can do it.